Hello everyone. Today my video is on water purification method. We use copper to purify water since ancient times. We normally use these kind of copper kettle and jug to store water. In this method only 1 to 2 liters of water can be purified, and cleaning these jars and jugs takes lot of time and efforts, and they are expensive too. Today I am going to show you a method where we can purify up to 4 to 5 liters of water by only using a single copper glass. Let's see how to wash the copper glass first. I am using tamarind and salt to clean the copper. Rub this tamarind well inside and outside the glass until the entire glass is shining. Can you see the difference? The glass is clean and shining. It's shining like a new copper glass. This steel vessel can hold up to 5 liters of water. Put this glass inside and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Fill the water till the top of the glass. Better to do this process at night, and the next day morning we can use this water for drinking and cooking. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.